Hi you guys, my name is Mackenzie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry if you hear children screaming. I can't do much about that. I don't know why I'm wearing two buns in the video again. The sun's about to go down, so I just really needed to film this. I wonder if I can film on the bed like that. This looks better. Today I celebrated my birthday because all of this week, it's finally Friday, I have been battling with pneumonia. Finally don't have a fever anymore. I've been at 103 all week. I was in the hospital. Let me show you my battle scars. This is what happens when they don't know how to do their job. It's been rough. It's been a rough week. So today my birthday was on Wednesday, so I was like, let's eat the cake Friday. You know, do some presents on Friday, you know. I wasn't gonna film a get ready with me because obviously I wasn't about to get ready. I still have a huge cough. I mean, let me tell you, I got pneumonia like 6th grade, 5th grade. I've got it before and it was in my left lung. I've got it again in my right lung. If I get it again, who knows? I'm gonna need a transplant. I'm kidding. Being a little dark. I've just decided to do a little present haul today. I haven't got much, but they all mean they're all very worthy to me. I'm first gonna start off with this little present from my sister. Because I'm sick, I didn't invite any friends. I didn't see anybody this week. So I don't care. They don't want to get sick, so I'll start out with the small stuff first. Sister got me ponytails, elastics, whatever you guys call them. I call them ponytails. And then she got me this small little hand cream here from Victoria's Secret. She's probably telling me that I have ashy hands. And then I got a bath bomb. I've actually never used a bath bomb. I've got them before, but I've just never tried them. It's from Victoria's Secret, if that means anything. And then she got me this little crop top here that says love a little heart. I really like it. And luckily I'm getting better because I do have dance recital next week. Should I do a vlog? A dance recital vlog. That would be neat. So luckily I'm feeling a little bit better. I haven't went to anything this week, like any practices. I haven't done nothing. Literally the whole neighborhood decided to have a little gathering today, so. Then I opened my mom's card, and how cute. I'm 16, if you didn't know, I turned 16. And then I opened it. And I couldn't tell what this thing said. I'm just not gonna show it because I don't know if it shows any codes or anything. I don't know where the seating is, but your girl's going to see Drake and Migos in July. No, I've been listening to his music. I listen to it all the time, but like, I've been listening to his music since like 5th, 6th grade. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie here. It's in July. I'm really excited about this. Thank you so much, Mom. Cause she said there was another surprise, and I don't like surprises. And I was like, and then whipped out the phone to record it, and I was like, I don't like this. This is freaking me out. And then I got some other cards. Here's the biggin. This is gonna be a majority of the video. I'm gonna have to scoot back for this one. So, if you guys don't know, okay, I spoil every present I get, so I asked for this and I already knew that I was getting it. So I'm just gonna open it and I'm gonna like unbox it and everything and do that whole shebang on here. Guys, I got a ring light. The perfect time to test it out because it is gonna get dark, as you can see by the lighting. I've barely watched any videos on how to put it together. I'm like, Dad, I got this one. You've been helping me put together Barbies my whole life. I got this. I got this. So, I'm gonna see if I can put this together myself. You take it out of the box. It comes with the protective things on the thing. I don't know what it comes with. All I know is I got the 18-inch. Guys, I'm so excited for this. You don't even know. I didn't get a stand with it because I already have a tripod with me right here. And my mom's a photographer, so she should have like a cowboy stand tripod thing somewhere. So Bootsy, I think I'm gonna charge my camera a little bit more. Maybe watch a couple of YouTube videos about this, and then I'll come back on here because I would rather not ruin this. I heard like a button can make it explode. Maybe I'm just not thinking straight or what. So yeah, I'm gonna charge my camera and I'll be right back. Guys, I'm sorry for coughing so much in this video. It's sort of like a vlog for real though, but okay, so this is what it looks like. Like I said, I got the 18-inch one. It's quite big. And then I'll put the links below for my mom got it off of Amazon. And then this was in the suggested or whatever. It's the knob. It's the knob that you can slide onto the tripod, and then you hook your camera right here. So you can connect the ring light to my tripod and then connect to this, and then my camera can fit right in the middle of the tripod. I mean, right in the middle of the ring light. Came with this. I don't know what that is. I'm guessing a little guide. Who needs menus and guides right now? I got this. I got this. I'm sorry for the lighting, like I said. I'm just going to show you everything that's in the box. So, this is exciting. Just unzip it. This isn't going to be like an instructional video because this isn't like I've ever had a ring light before, so. Okay. Menus, instructions. I don't know if I'm gonna put the little dimmers on, like if you need to. Here's the foam. Oh God. What the heck? This foam is really confusing. Wow. I don't think my mom got the diffuse things, you know, the little orange and white things that you can like clip on here for it to diffuse. Here's what it looks like, guys. Ooh, I'm so excited. Yeah. Because I think you had to purchase them like separately, maybe. I don't know. I don't know why everything comes freaking separate. And then here's, let me just slide it off. Here's the cord. Guys, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I don't think I'm gonna turn it on until I got it completely screwed on. So, it's actually not as heavy as I thought it would be. I'm gonna just have my tripod right here. Came with these little clear things, but I really don't know what that's for. You can't even see my face. A little awkward. So I got it on the tripod. That's what it looks like. I'm so nervous. Like, what if they gave me one that doesn't work or something? Like, that's my complete, like, that's my, what's the word? Am I stupid? So yeah, I got this little piece. I saw some videos. They screwed it on right there. So I'm guessing it's like magnetic or something. If you're not tech at all, this was like the easiest thing. I didn't even look at the freaking instructions. I mean, if it doesn't work, that's probably why. But did I put this in wrong? Or do you just twist it? I heard you need to make sure that thing's on all the way. I feel like it's a little wobbly, but okay. And then this is where you put the camera. So I'm gonna try screwing you on. If you didn't know, I connect me to the computer, so if you ever see me looking worse. So yeah, weird, but that's why I can see myself. Probably not focused, but I screwed it on. And it's really scary because it's like quite wobbly, because I feel like there's so much weight on my tripod. And what's really cool is that the little thing that connects to the tripod, like I can move my camera up and down. Like there's a little roller ball connected, so I can like maneuver my camera. That literally took me like 6 minutes to put together. I mean, if it doesn't turn on, this is probably something to fix the connector. And then this came with my ring light. Oh, these are extra clip-ins for the lamp. Okay, never mind. I don't have the thing plugged in yet, but I'm about to plug it in. This is the big reveal. Guys, this is gonna tell whether I just have bad lighting or I'm just a disgusting person. So, the like switch, is this even dimmable? It's probably not dimmable. It's probably just like a plug in, plug off kind of thing. Power on, power off. Okay. We have it plugged. Oh, damn it. Turned it on and it was on off and it turned on. Just ruined it for me. Guys, let's do the before after thumbnail. Guys, I'm gonna turn on. I'm nervous. Whew. My eyes? Holy cow. This is so bright right now. Oh my god. This is what all the beauty gurus feel like, huh? Huh? So I have this big reflector that my mom gave me. It's basically a white and a black screen. So I'm going to try doing the black background. I'll hold it behind me. I feel like it's too good of lighting that, like, I look stupid. Like, I look too good right now. Do a little zoom in action. That's too clear. That's too clear. So yeah, I got a ring light. Tell me if you guys like this. If you don't, well, I'm probably gonna be too lazy to get this out for some of my videos, to be honest. But this is low-key kind of like staring at the blind, like at a sun. Like at a freaking sun. I think this could be like such a cool setup. I feel like you could put a background behind me, look fancy or whatever. Completely real with you guys. On camera, it looks way better than like my two Lowe's lights. But on my phone, my two Lowe's lights looks like the ring light. So if you probably film on your iPhone, I'm going to try to like, I'm going to get out my camera because if you don't know, I filmed on my phone forever. It's cute. Like if you get out, if you have enough money to invest and you have your phone and you're really into YouTube, I think you should get this. I mean, if this is something you want to do. I know people are just chilling with two soft boxes. You know, it's whatever you're feeling. I know it looks like trash right now because I need to get a setup going. But wow. This is crazy, guys. This is probably super fragile. Something that could probably stop working in like 2 days. Because I'm scared. I wonder how long it can like stay on. I'll probably film against a white wall. Because I feel like a ring light without any other lighting. As you can see, the background is hella dark. I need to be against a white or some kind of background. Comment any suggestions. I don't know what to do. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like, subscribe. Don't ask.
Did it fall?
You can't be that clone. But you can't mess with this, Ava. It's really fragile.
No, I'm gonna.
For real. Below. Thank you guys so much for all the birthday wishes. I really appreciate it.
Just here.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
I'll see you in my next video.
I hate you.
Finish round 5. Post talk down, you don't see them outside. Yeah, they don't really be the same offline. You know dark days, you know hard times. Doing overtime for the last month. Saturday.